Ultimate Frisbee is like a mix of football and basketball, but way more fun. The goal is simple. Get the Frisbee disc to the other end of the field by throwing it to your teammates. You need at least 6 people to play, but 7 on each team works best. Any open space works great. Think parks, beaches, or big backyards. Just mark 2 end zones about 70 yards apart. Here's how it works. 2 teams line up at opposite ends. Someone throws the disc to start the game. Then the magic begins. You can throw the disc in any direction to any teammate. But here's the catch. You cannot run while holding the disc. Your feet must stay planted like you're a tree. When you catch the disc, you have 10 seconds to throw it. Count out loud so everyone knows. If you drop the disc or throw it out of bounds, the other team gets it right where it landed. Scoring happens when someone catches the disc in the end zone. Think of it like a touchdown in football. Then you switch directions and start again. The coolest part about Ultimate Frisbee is something called Spirit of the Game. There are no referees. Players call their own fouls and settle disagreements by talking it out. This teaches everyone to be honest and fair. You cannot tackle, push, or grab other players. Keep your hands to yourself. If someone bumps into you, just call foul and talk about what happened. The disc can go anywhere. Throw it high, low, or sideways. Get creative with your throws. Some players can make the disc curve like a boomerang. When the other team has the disc, you can defend by staying close to players but not touching them. Try to block their throws or catch the disc if they mess up. Games usually go to 15 points or play for a set time like 1 hour. Take water breaks when you need them. The most important thing is having fun while getting great exercise. Ultimate Frisbee teaches teamwork, honesty, and communication. Plus, you'll run around so much that you'll sleep great that night.